clear tu te chipai le vekule Mizoram chung le pona sarkar department ruak sang te tuntuma hian kan en ho le dona uluk takin kan lo enanga hria thiam lo le zo du nei te kan omani chuanin video comment section lama khanin kan lo comment mai don nia ahma saberin India Post Office GDS ABPM BPM naruak zona atam thina notification chua hun tur post ruak zat deal theite selection process le form fill up dan tur te kan soi don ani post ruak zat hi singthum sang sari le sanga all India ania Mizoram hian post za somnga tanga zahni in karvel arwak tura bai sayani regular post ani don ani lo hi BPM singkha sang ni tanga singni sang kwa zathum somriat in kar ani dona ABPM dak seva khi singkha ta tanga singni sangli zali le somsari in kar an hlo don ani class 10 metric pass chin tan dil thei ani dona kumsom pariata tanga somli in kar tan dil thei ani don ani STSC tan chuan somli le panga thleng ngai na thiam na awmang selection process a hianin written exam om don lova class 10 mark result based khanin selection kalpui ani don ani class 10 result nei thate tan chance a thadon ani tin result nei thawak lo te tan po thona tur posting na huna zir khanin chance chu awm ve thei thawa chu wang chuanin class 10 pass to phot tan dil top mai kha fu don ani apply dan tur kumin sangni le somni pali India Post GDS ruakhi official advertisement ti chua alani lo dewa tun thla July ni somle panga hian official advertisement an ti chua be se ni kumdang thawin online atangin India Post official website atangin form fill up turani a official notification achua huna online form fill up dan video kanon siam le donia panina chuanin National Health Mission waya Health and Wellness Officer HWO naruak National Health Mission waya Comprehensive Primary Health Care through Health and Wellness Center program chuan Mizoram Hunsranga Sub-Center Health and Wellness Center Thokturin Health and Wellness Officer HWO aladona post ruak zongzong zathi post somni ani contract basis ani donani hlo thakata singni le sangan hlo dona chuba ka chuanin incentive thakata singkhat le sanga thleng om thei donani an tho thatdan performance zir khan ti chuanin thakata singthum sanga tanga singlin karvel kha an hlo donani deal theite BSc Nursing GNM kumni experience nei angaya experience nei khelo tan po adil thei donani Mizoram Nursing Council khan registration ti angai donani certificate registration certificate kha thiltel angai donani computer certificate le Mizo language proficiency test hi awm don lawani compulsory ani lawani deal dan tur deal du te chuan application form hi NHM website www.nhmmizoram.org atangin download turania submit hun tur hi NHM email ID cphcmizoram@gmail.com emo Health and Wellness Center Unit Directorate of Health Services Mineko Khatla Aizola thelu turani last date of form submission chu July ni somle panga ani selection process written test le personal interview omdona written exam le personal interview hun le mun tu chu website lama khan anon ta lang le donani pathumna chuanin group D 4th grade naruak tun din huna Mizoram Sarkar Department waya group D naruak komza chu post somthum le pathum ania STEM and registration a revenue department a post patni fisheries department a post panga higher and technical education a post pakhat transport department a post pathum agriculture department a post pakua art and culture department a post panga forensic science laboratory department a post patni rural development department a post panga chief medical officer Aizawl East district a post pakhat contract aluakani class 8 pass chin kumsom pariata tanga somli le pahnin kartan dil thei ania Mizo Chong Middle School standard chin tal kha thiam angai bokani hlo chungchang half of pay level 1 chan ve kha an hlo phot donai PE anni wang khanin a chan ve an la phot dona chu singkha sangkha zakwale somkwa ania tin annual increment kha omdon bokani ka soithin angin PE professional employee hi alanghet lo ania kumsari kumriat vel an tho hnuwa khan a nget theidona a nge huna chuanin full salary pay level 1 singkha sangre da tanga singthum sangli le zarukin kar khan hlo theidona ni group D naruak te hi anmani department website thewa khan le department office te form lak chua download thei ani dona kan download zo nuwa khan kan print out anga an office thewa khan submit tur ani dona ni chipchiar zokin official advertisement khan kan lo endon nia video description advertisement application form download link kha awmani form submit hun last date chu STEM and registration revenue department July ni somthum le pakhat fisheries department July ni somni pathum hiring technical education July ni somthum pakhat transport department July ni som pasari agriculture July ni som panga art and culture July ni som panga forensic science laboratory July ni som pakhat rural development department July ni som chief medical officer Aizolis district July ni som te ani donani palina chuanin Mizoram Sarkar YLDC ruak post ruak zongzong zathi post so mania Directorate of Stamp and Registration Revenue Department via post pali arwaka Transport Department via LDC post pathum Directorate of Forensic Science Laboratory post patni Cooperation Department LDC post pakhat arwaka ichuanin post som arwakani lo en leila half of pay level 4 LDC te khanin half of pay level 4 pay level 4 chan ve an lo dona chu sin kha sang ruk zakwale som ni ani half ani na chan chu PE provisional employee ani iwangani a kan soi thin ang khanin PE te la nget lo an ni a kumsari kumriat vel an tho nuwa nge na chance kha oma an nge huna khanin full payment full salary kha an lo dona ni chu pay level 4 sing ni sanga zanga tanga singa sang ruk le zariat in car an hlo thei dona ni kum som pare tanga somli le pahni in car tan dil thei ani dona ni thiam na ngai te class 12 HSSLC pass chin tan dil thei ani dona Mizo language middle school standard chintal thiam angaya computer thiam na DCA mo CCA mo nei angai dona ni tin typing speed 30 watts per minute kha ti thei angai bokani selection process hianin skill test a written exam le personal interview omdona skill test hianin Word Excel le PowerPoint khami test kha omdone tin 30 watts per minute typing test typing speed test kha omdona khang te khanin skill test khanin a bikin mark apudon lova qualify kha atok mai dona ni a written exam big khanin mark sali full mark apudona paper 1 le paper 2 mark zani ve ani dona ni tin personal interview mark somnga omdon bokani deal dan tur anma ani department website a theu khanin application form download link kha awma download link chu hemi video description a po hian kada kan lo endonia tin department office atang point lak chuwa thei ani bokang form kan download te kha kan print chuakanga kan fill up zo vek nuwa anma ani department a theu khan anma ani department office a submit tur ani don ani chiang zokin advertisement a khan oma kan lo chiar chiang don nia advertisement download link chu video description a khan awmani application fee cheng zale somnga STSC tan ania chu form kan submit wal khan thelu angai don ani last date of form submission Directorate of Stamp and Registration a khanin July ni somthum le pakhat last date ania transport a July ni somthum pakhat Directorate of Forensic Science a khanin July ni som pakhat Cooperation Department a July ni kuate ani pangana chuanin health worker naruak female health worker naruak post pakhat ania posting na mun hi zol nuam PHC casualty mamita ani donani hlo hi thakata singkhat le sang ni fix ania qualification ngai te NM diploma emo certificate nei kha angai donani deal dan tur A4 plain paper a deal na ziakin CV biodata passport thlak le document self attest telin khang theka thil tela medical officer zone 1 PHC mami district a khan submit turani last day chu July ni som ani yang tun naya Mizoram Sarkar maya narwa katam leya examine board saina to study materials question thlui le solve paper du tan chuan ka website www.kamliana.in kan lo visit anga kan mamote kan lo download thin don nia website a hian study materials hi atharlam dalu belselania member ten kan lo check zeu thin don nia